Hi, all you fellow YouTubers who like to watch cruising videos, park videos, videos about people singing and fun, and about dogs. We got a dog. She's 8 months old, and I've been watching a lot of videos about how to put this certain leash on. So I'm going to show you what I've learned and how videos can help you. The slip knot leash. Come, girl. Come here. Abby? She's 8 months old. She's only 8 months old. Remember that. Abby, come. Abby, sit. Come on. Come on. Let's keep on working. All right. Good. Very good. All right. Push this down. All right. Let's show the people how good you are with it. Good girl. Now, you can bring it up in a figure 8 around her nose area, but she hates that. I can try it. Right, come Abby, up front here. Bring these up around. Come on. Good girl. Let's sit down. All right, let's try the other way. All right, gotcha. I'll get it, I'll get it. I have to stay calm and look. Don't look at her. Okay. Oops. Sorry about this. Make it bigger. Like much bigger. Alright, let's try it. Anyway, you have to make it much, much bigger. Like another 12 inches. And then after you put it on her, twirl it, and then the figure 8 will go around her mouth, which she doesn't like at all. But that's my demonstration.